Hermes Agent just released their new desktop app, and honestly, this changes the whole experience completely.
And in this video, I'll show you the complete setup process step by step, how to install and connect everything properly, how to use the new Hermes Desktop app.
First, go to the download link in the description and download the Hermes Desktop app for your operating system, whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux.
Once the download is finished, open the installer and go through the setup process like a normal desktop app. The installation might take a few minutes depending on your system, so just give it some time to finish properly. And once everything is installed, launch the Hermes app and we can start setting everything up. If you've used Codex before, you'll probably notice that the Hermes Desktop app UI looks very similar. Honestly, the overall interface feels heavily inspired by Codex, but that's not really a bad thing because the design actually looks very clean and modern. Even anti-gravity seems to have gone with a pretty similar style recently. When you first open the app, you'll see the main chat screen. This is basically the central workspace where you can talk with the Hermes agent, send prompts, attach files or folders, and manage different tasks directly from the interface. Then there's the Skills and Tools section. To be honest, Hermes comes with a huge number of built-in skills, and some of them feel a little unnecessary right now. But there are definitely some really useful ones included, like Claude Code, Claude Design, and Excalibur integrations. In the Toolset section, Hermes also has powerful capabilities like code execution, browser automation, and other agent tools. And the nice thing is that you can enable or disable different tools and skills depending on what you actually want the agent to use. Next, there's the Messaging section. From here, you can connect different platforms that you want to use to chat with the Hermes agent. It supports platforms like Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, email, and a bunch of others. Just to show you how it works, I'm going to connect Telegram. To set it up, you'll need a bot token. For that, open Telegram and search for BotFather. Start the chat, type Start, then use the New Bot command and follow the steps to create your bot by giving it a name and username. Once the bot is created, BotFather will give you a bot token. Just copy that token and paste it into Hermes, and that's basically it. Your Telegram integration is ready. Now I can chat with my Hermes agent directly from my phone through Telegram using that bot. Next is the Artifact section.
This is basically a workspace where all the AI-generated outputs are stored, viewed, and reused. So if the agent creates code, files, plans, reports, or anything else, it gets saved here instead of disappearing inside the chat. And over here, you can also see all my previous chats with Hermes from the terminal version. They were automatically imported into the desktop app, which is actually really nice. On this dashboard, you can see stats like your total sessions, API calls, token usage, and the estimated cost of all the tokens you've used. Mine is showing 0 right now because I've connected Codex CLI, so Hermes can't properly calculate the token cost. On the top right side, you can quickly mute or unmute voice features. Right next to that is the Profile section. From here, you can customize how the agent behaves, like what it should do, what it should avoid, and how it should respond. You can even create multiple profiles for different workflows or use cases. Then, inside Settings, you can choose your model provider, change the chat personality, and customize the appearance of the app with different themes. There are also a lot of advanced settings related to memory, voice, MCP servers, and other agent features. And finally, on the right side panel inside Chats, you can view files created during the conversation and even access a built-in terminal directly inside the app. So overall, The new Hermes Desktop App makes the whole experience much cleaner and easier compared to using everything only through the terminal. So yeah, that was a full look at the new Hermes Desktop App, how to install it, set it up, and use its main features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.